Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome on into today's video. I'm diving right in. We have a lot to showcase and a lot to get through very quickly because I don't want to be too long-winded. But you guys, we are so very close to 5,000 subscribers here on the channel. Thank you guys so much. I do have a shorts video with my 5K announcement, but several beauties have asked for me to actually showcase what the winner will receive. All of the pertinent details and everything are going to be down below, and you can enter on this video as well as the shorts video, and I will take into consideration multiple entries, no more than 2 entries. But everything will be down below. You must be in the USA, you must be publicly subscribed. You're just going to leave a genuine comment down below, and then as soon as I hit 5K, 1 week after hitting 5K, I will reply to and pin the winner's comment. If I have not pinned your comment, you are not the winner. There are a lot of scams out there. There are a lot of like spammy accounts and stuff like that. This is my only account here other than my Darissa Explains It All channel. And I will never, ever ask you to private message me through WhatsApp or Telegram or anything like that. I will never, ever ask you for payment for shipping. I will never ask you for any monies whatsoever. I will never ask for payment information, credit card information, nothing. You'll contact me, you'll reach out to me via Instagram, and you'll give me your address. Literally, that's it. So please be vigilant. Please use common sense in knowing that if you did not get your comment pinned, you did not win. Also, if a bunch of, little spammy accounts start coming up and say, hey, you won, Telegram me, you guys, I'm not going to get to 5K in 2 seconds. So if you see that I'm still not at 5K subscribers, then please also just use common sense. So we're going to dive in. It is a whole lot to show. It is all in this big bag right here. I also have a palette and stuff right here. So we will dive in. This is for 1 winner. And again, 1 week after I hit 5K, I'm only a couple hundred away, so it shouldn't be too long from now. So good luck if you do enter. And again, you can enter here 1 time and on the shorts video 1 time as well. I think I'm just going to randomly just pull things out of the bag. First up, we have an iconic London eyeshadow palette. This is the Booming and Gleaming eyeshadow palette. I am not going to open this because it is not mine, but I will find a picture and pop it up right here for you guys. So we're starting out with an eyeshadow palette. Next up, we have a set of Wing Me brushes. And of course, everything will be packaged neatly and beautifully in a box. I just have it in here so that I would know where my giveaway stuff was at. Next up, I've included my all-time favorite lip liner. It is the Too Faced, the Extreme Lip Plumper, and I also got my favorite shade, Puffy Nude. My other favorite shade is called Cinnamon, hold please, Cinnamon Swell. But I love this. I also kind of want to note as I'm going through things, if these are not items that you'll use, if you're not genuinely excited about the contents here, please don't enter. I personally feel like that's an asshole thing to do, to win something just to not use it or to complain about it or say I would never use that or whatever. When I want to give back and I want somebody who genuinely has a love for makeup and wants to win these products, I would like for somebody like that to win. So not trying to be an a-hole, but don't be an a-hole. Anyways, that is also included. Next up, we have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer in the shade Riri, of course. And I do have the full-size version of it, and it is one of my favorite shades. So I'm super excited to be able to gift one to somebody. Next up, these were actually gifted to me from Manic Panic. I just think that they're so freaking cool. There's some little orange sunnies. I just wanted to kind of add those in to kind of, again, pay it forward. Next up is the Way Fine to Medium Hair Treatment Mask. And I try to throw in a mixture. I try to do enough aside from complexion product. I try to do enough to kind of do like some hair, some skin, some makeup and stuff like that, and try to hopefully help you build a full face if I possibly can. Next up is the Live, the UHD Brow Sculpting Wax. So it is a brow sculpting little kit with the brush and stuff included as well. So I try to build a full kit for you guys. Next up is the Dazzle Me, the SOS Hair Powder. So it is more of like a dry shampoo type of product. Ooh, we got a lot to get through, y'all. Next up is a little sample of the Charlotte's Magic Serum, the Crystal Elixir. Next up, I have the 8 Saints, the Up the Ante Anti-Aging Night Cream. Next up, I have the Live, the High Definition Gel Eyeliner. This is a gel eyeliner pen with a built-in angled brush, and it is in a coffee shade. And thank y'all for asking too. I know some people did not enter over on the shorts video because they were like, I don't know what I'm entering for, but most of the time on my channel it's going to be a secret giveaway, or you're not really going to know what it is, and I just kind of throw a bunch of shit in a box and send it to the person. So thank y'all for asking. Next up is the Loved 01 Exfoliating Cleanser. Next up is the Beauty for Certain, the Rosado High Gloss Lip Oil. Next up, we have a little mini sampler of the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Y'all, we still, oh my gosh, that's still a lot of stuff. Next up is the Complex Culture, the Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. Next up is the Sachajuan, hopefully I'm saying that right, the Heat Protectant Hair Cream. And they're like leave-in sun treatment thing. I love, it is wonderful. Next up, we have a Bath & Body Works, the Snowflakes and Cashmere Daily Nourishing Body Lotion. Next up is the Defiance Beauty, the Infinity Liquid Eyeliner. Next up, we have the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer, another one of my all-time favorites. Next up, I have a little mini of the Lancome, the Lash Primer. Next up is the Real Chemistry Foaming Cleanser. Next up is the Laura Mercier, the Caviar Stick Eye Color in the shade Forbidden Rose. Next up are the Kiss, the Lash Couture, the Muse Eyelashes. Next up is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And then last, but certainly not least, are these really beautiful earrings. They are charged jewelry with a story, Pearl Huggy Hoops. So that is everything. Again, I will announce the winner. You can comment here as well as commenting over on the shorts video as well. I think it was just the shorts video got lost, and I've had a lot of new subscribers. So I really wanted to make sure that I showcased, first of all, what you would be entering to win, but then also really let it be known that I do have a giveaway going on because a lot of people have missed it. But yeah, I will announce one winner that is going to win all of this stuff 1 week after hitting 5,000 subscribers. Again, please, please, please be vigilant, you guys. We've had some near misses, you guys, because people have almost given their information to somebody else. It is not me. If I do not pin your comment, you are not the winner. If you do not already see that I'm at 5K and someone tells you you won, you did not win. I'm not ever going to ask for any money, you guys. I pay for all this myself, and or I pay back and pay forward what I do receive in PR. And I never ask for any money in return ever, not even shipping costs. I will ship this to you. So good luck, beauties. Also, my dress. I'm so in love with this dress. It was gifted by FLYCURVY. I'll pop a picture right here. And you can use code RERE10 for 12% off now. It used to be 10%. They just upped it to 12%, and I love it. And I did just receive 3 of these dresses, and I gave away 2 of them. So super exciting, you guys. And I do, if you are new, I do tons of secret little giveaways, especially for October when I do my 31 days of palettes. We'll be doing some giveaways, and holiday season, I do tons of giveaways. So stay tuned, give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy. Please don't forget to share this video out. It really does help me so much as a creator. Thank y'all so much for being here. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Good luck.